And I think, if the weather is nice outside, it's whatever, if it's 24 or 25 degrees and you're happy to have the temperature inside, go for it, open all the windows, that's fine. But the difference is you really don't have to anymore. And what's also nice, the HRV have a bypass function. So imagine, if we have the 40 degrees days, it's really, really hot, and even the best passive house can heat up slowly over time. But what you can do then, let's say we have a really cold night and it's 17 or 18 or 19 degrees, you can put on the bypass, and then your house gets cooled down really, really quickly, and you have it to a comfortable temperature again, much faster than just opening the windows. Or vice versa. The other thing is, a question I get often asked is, how do you treat heating or cooling, or do you need a heating system, or do I really love hydronic heating, should I go for hydronic heating? And that's one thing is where, I'm a big fan of hydronic heating. I grew up with hydronic heating in Germany, and I was always set on, if I build a house one day, it has to have hydronic heating. But once you look into passive house, you realize it's just not necessary. It's a complete overkill in our mild Australian climate, because you barely ever need any heating and cooling. And typically what, all the people that have passive houses in Australia here keep saying is, you really need this one small split system. And if the house gets a little bit too hot or a little bit too cold, you just turn on the split system. And some of them say that they turned it on 3 times over the entire winter, just for half an hour or an hour. It's just amazing. It blows my mind. But the thing is, though, I would always encourage to get at least one split system in, because you have the humans in the picture. So, no matter how good your house performs, imagine it's 40 degrees and you forget to close the door, or vice versa, if it's 10 outside and you forget to close the door. So therefore, I would always say, put in a split system.